What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I'm here with my twin sister, Ella, and we're playing Food Facility. And we're both survivors!
I know, you played so much fun, you don't even know.
Yeah.
Bella's been to beast so many times.
Oh, whoops. That always happens, but it's okay. Okay.
I wonder where the beast is right now.
I really want to find you. Where are you?
We're finally both survivors.
Wait, let's go into that room where there's last thing. That big. This. No, the beast is in here. Okay.
That's what.
Oh my god, the beast is after me.
Oh no, run.
I ran.
Don't worry, I can always see you. We're on a team.
Yeah. I think it's after me still.
There's a computer here.
I know, but that's where the beast is. Yes, the beast is in that room. What are you doing? Get out of there. Or is it like, oh my god, oh my god, it's in there. It's in there.
Oh,
I'll distract it. You guys
no,
have.
it's okay. It's gonna get distracted by me. Oh, us.
Where did? Oh my god! I'm gonna go see where it is. I like playing with the beast. It's funny when you like get to play.
Yeah.
Like.
Oh, except the door on there.
That's so fun.
But I mean, sometimes for that, and it's boring sitting on the stairs.
Yeah. Come on, we have to do some action. Yeah, it's not.
Where's the computer that's always here?
I don't know,
No?
but I think I'm playing with the beast a little bit.
It was pretty close, I think, but I think there's the no.
I'm not by computer at all.
Are
No.
you hiding? Oh,
Kind of.
go on.
Okay, I'm just gonna
I
try to
hope the
like.
beast doesn't get us.
Yeah, same. But we're on a team, so we can save each other. I found a computer. Yes, I need a hack. Will you come to this room?
I don't know where you are.
Okay.
In this? Oh, damn it.
Oh my god, come to mine.
Don't worry, it's almost over.
Oh, I can see you guys. Oh, yeah, it's my room. No. Oh, and I think the beast is close to me
You
more.
better run.
Where'd it go? Oh, I'm coming to you. Stay there.
No, we need to go to. No, that computer.
Hi. Let's go.
Go here.
Want to come to my place
Yeah,
where I was
you were-
hacking? Well, the place that I was hacking.
Oh, wrong one.
You're wrong. Wait, there is a computer in there though. So
Oh, yeah, that's good.
yeah, it's better than being at the computer that's hacked wrong. Oh my god, my thing's not.
Oh, please don't say it.
Okay. I need to open the portal. Okay, at least we're gonna be okay since we're in the survivors and we're on a team. Okay. Oh no. I hope they're not after that person because we'll have to go save them. But it's okay. We are. Okay, guys. I just played with the.
So if you don't know, this computer just actually like.
Whoa. Yeah, it's on the side, and oh my god, what is happening? Okay, so, oh my god, the beast is literally after me. No. Oh my god, I'm literally playing with the beast. No. I'm sorry, okay. Oh, hi. Close the door when he opens it. I'm playing with the beast. I closed it on his face. This is so much fun. Oh my god, this is fun because I'm playing with the beast and it's kind of fun. Wait, what? Okay, let's go. Wait, we need to close the door behind us. Don't go further than that. We can hide. We can hide in here. Where did we go? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna get like a one. Yeah, let's like. I feel like I'm gonna scream a lot, but it's okay, right? did you go? I'm lost.
And that one right there.
Oh, jeez, I'm here.
We need to go to different ones.
No, we need to hack.
Two left.
We need to hack it fast. Come on. And this time I can't fail it. Sometimes I accidentally fail the computers. Yeah.
Don't look at my phone.
Yeah. Why am I always the one getting like the E things?
I'm getting them.
Oh, I know, but I feel like I'm always getting.
No.
I did it right. You did it wrong.
Okay,
Wait, no, we need to keep doing E on it. So.
no, it's fine. It's gonna. I think the beast is gonna.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, that's a beast. No, you.
Oh my god, it's here. Oh my.
It's hard.
Oh my god, the beast head came in here.
No, please.
I'm coming. I'll come. I'll save you.
What's after me?
Close the door. Close the door.
I'm just like running.
Eh,
It won't find me here.
Then it's gonna find me. I can't, but you need to distract it so I can find the computer. I'm not distracting that thing. It's like a beast. Oh my god, I found the last computer.
Oh.
Come to me. Actually, distract while I hack. Okay, come on. Oh my god, it's in there. Get close to one. Get close to the exit. Get close to the exit now, because I'm about to finish this last computer. Get close. Go.
It's gonna get me.
I don't know which way to go. Did it get you?
No.
Good.
I found the exit.
Did? Oh my god.
Say we can escape.
No, we are not the same thing.
It's okay, it doesn't.
I know, but then that means I'm not gonna be. Oh my god.
Are we gonna make it?
Are we? Done.
Yes! The beast was right there. Oh my god.
We made it! Make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!